it! Let's learn! I am. I am. I am Eima. He is. He is. He is reading. She is. She is. She is flying a kite. They are. They are. They are smiling. We are. We are. We are walking. You are. You are watching the bright wand. Bye-bye!